G'day! In today's video I'm opening up a Samsung A11 to clear the headphone jack. It's got a bit of debris broken in there and I can't get it out from the outside, so I'm going to have to go and open it up to go to the inside. So I had it on the heat pad here to make it a bit softer and easier for me to get into, as the adhesive tends to become a bit looser. And this is coming off surprisingly easily. So the back isn't actually glued. You do have to clear the SIM tray or remove the SIM tray of it. And I should be able to pry around the phone. There we go. Get this corner off as well. There we go. Now I am being cautious of the fingerprint scanner. I'm just not too sure how that one is attached or staying there. Just use my little pry tool. It just needs a bit of a push to get over this bit here. There we go. Didn't help, I just pushed it back down over there. A bit of a twist and a wobble. And what I'm going to do here is try and push this button out. Like that. As you can see there, it's not going to be easy to access. So let's get you guys a closer look. Here we go. So from here, I believe I'm going to have to remove the main board. So I'm going to disconnect the battery. If memory serves me correct, there's also one hidden under the scanner. Yep. So those three screws are all the same size. Disconnect. I don't have any fingernails at the moment, so I will just use the tweezers to lift this up. There we go. Now, work our way around the screws. Go. Next up, I want to disconnect the antenna cable. There we go. And remove this bit of plastic. Okay. Should be able to lift up now. Disappointingly, I can't actually get really much closer to where I needed to here. This bit here will come off. This plastic's around. Not much closer. I'm going to scrape this off. Will it get me anywhere closer? No. Get a smaller pair of tweezers. And I'm going to sort of feed it in this gap here. And push down and forward. It's being stubborn. That's not improving anywhere. Just help me get a little bit further into it. here. I can see the piece right there now. Quite how I was hoping it would go down. I'll give my tweezers a slight bend to them. Maybe that may give it a bit more grip. Bingo! That gave it a bit more grip. So one cleared headphone jack. Now, I'm not going to be too concerned about putting this bit back on. And now let's resume assembly. This collar bit looked to have gone over here. Like so. We had this little one on the front sensors over here. There we go. And slide it under here. Wiggle it into position. There we go. Now the two silver screws, one on the left. This does need to slide under this bit here. And then we should have 3 black screws that go into there. So the adhesive part, or the temperature part, isn't really necessary to clear the headphone jack. It is just nice on my hands on a cold day, as it is currently in winter here in Australia. But most models do require that. Antenna cable. We're on. I should just be able to wiggle that and that shouldn't come off. Yep. Next up, click. Click. There we go. So connected, 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 connected. Next up is this bit here. Slide it under here. Sit it on. And then we've got 3 screws from there. 1, 2, 3. Now I do see this fingerprint scanner as a bit of a booby trap by Samsung, as if you don't push it out as you turn to take it off, you're going to tear that cable. So from here, not much left, flip it around, line up that to the right spot. Make sure the cameras are sitting in the right spot. They didn't feel like they quite clicked in. So I'll do it again from their corner. Try and move that down a fraction. There we go. And keep working my way around. That's one cleared headphone jack on a Samsung Galaxy A11. Hope this helps you. And I'll catch you guys later. Bye.